Hey guys, it's Summer, and today I am with the absolutely amazing Vivi, who is crying at the moment, and you'll know why from reading the title. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is terrible. We're going to be opening Surströmming, which is a Swedish fish and is the most smelliest. It's the smelliest food in the world. She may be trying it because it's a fish, so I can't have it because I'm vegan, but she may, we'll see. But they say the worst part is opening it. They said like it's only a quarter is about to eat it. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so right now I'd like to note we're outside because it's so smelly that you literally cannot do this in a house or an apartment. It's just like a no-no. It should like be put in on the rule book of laws and stuff. Okay, so let's try to open this thing. I am so nervous. Oh my God, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. Oh my God, I can't do this. Oh my God, nope, nope, nope. Oh my God, holy shizzies. It's dripping! Ah! Save yourselves! Okay, that's around as open as I'm gonna get it. Oh my God, this is so bad. Oh my God, I'm gonna cough. Ah! Ah, I'm gonna start peeing of disgust. Oh. It's dripping. Oh my God, oh Lord. Oh God, please help me. Oh God. I hate this. Oh my God, it smells so bad. Oh, I never smelled anything like this before. I can't. I'm gonna throw. Please. I'm genuinely asking for help for my nose. Oh my God, my hair. Bad. This is really bad.
I'm crying. I can't. Get that away. I have to stop.
I can't feel my body. I just enjoyed seeing us dying. Because we definitely did, and we definitely didn't like the video for us. Oh my God, please subscribe to my channel for after this. Oh my God, and please give this video a big thumbs up. Please leave a comment down in the description below. Tell me if you ever smelled this or eaten this or. And I'm totally not trying to offend anybody who's Swedish and actually likes this. I completely understand if you like this. It's like, it's what you eat, but this is not cool for me. Like, nope, okay.
Please don't.
And please turn on the notifications so you notice any of my videos. Love you. Bye. Oh my God, we have some on our fingers.
That's brown stuff.
I am like this fat. Look, we don't deserve this. We're good girls.
I'm gonna throw up, you guys. I'm gonna throw up. I
have to
wait
leave.
with this.
I have to leave this
doing
smell.
this ever again. Never.